Hey, stop scrolling. What if I told you that in the next few minutes you could discover the top 5 side hustles that are set to explode in 2026? These are not your typical survey sites or delivery apps. I'm talking about 5 real high income digital marketing side hustles that you could start with little or no money. And I saved the best for last, so you're gonna wanna stick around for that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Greg Vasil, and my goal is to help you achieve financial freedom and independence with digital marketing. To date, I've been able to earn multiple 6 figures online, as well as coach dozens of students, all thanks to the power of digital marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh man, not another video about side hustles. But as you know, the online landscape is constantly changing. So what worked in 2024 and 2025 might not necessarily work in 2026 and beyond. That's why I've personally spent the last month compiling, documenting, and testing the top side hustles that I would recommend for you to do in 2026. This is a list of the top 5 digital marketing side hustles that are set to explode in 2026, and today I'm sharing with you this list for free. But first, please do me a favor and smash the like and subscribe button below. That helps out a lot. Thanks so much. All right, let's dive right in with our very first side hustle. And this one is always in demand, and this is running paid ads for a small local business. This was actually my very first foray into digital marketing in 2016, and I started my own Facebook ads agency. It was tiny, it was a one-man show. And what I would do is I would contact small businesses, for example, a gym owner, a realtor, somebody that needs leads. I would set up a simple ad for them on Facebook, and then I would make a real simple landing page or use a Facebook form that's native to Facebook. Nowadays it's super easy. And I would get them simple leads. They would spend money on ads. They would pay me monthly, and I would bring them qualified leads. Businesses big and small are constantly looking for ways to reach more people and get more leads, whether it's through Facebook, Instagram, Google, or even TikTok. All of these platforms have paid ads. These small business owners don't have the time or the skills to do it. And that's where you come in. You learn these skills, you start small, you get your first client, and then you scale from there. And this is one of the higher ticket services on this list because you can charge a monthly retainer for your services starting from $1,000 to all the way to $3,000 per month per client. And having 1, 2, 3, 4 clients can already put you into that 10K range. I personally know of several people that have scaled this agency model to 6 figures per month, even 7 figures per month. It's possible once you get into past 50 clients, 60 clients, 70 clients. The hard part is getting those clients in the beginning and getting that ball rolling. So in the beginning, to get that learning, you may have to offer your services for free for the first several clients until you get a little bit seasoned. All right, side hustle number 2. And this is similar to the first one because small businesses will be paying you a monthly retainer fee to do a service for them, but this is slightly different. You won't be running paid ads for them, but you will be helping them with local SEO. By this point, most people know that SEO stands for search engine optimization, but local SEO is slightly different. While the classic SEO is more complicated, where you have to optimize a website, you have to make blog posts. So that's kind of running a content business, which I'm not proposing for you to do. That's pretty complicated. Okay. Still doable, but with the advent of AI, a lot of things have changed in the Google algorithm. So I don't recommend doing the classic SEO for beginners, but doing local SEO is quite different. All it is that you're helping a business rank higher on Google Maps. Okay. And this is done all through the Google business profile and optimizing that. And with AI and with a few simple tools, that's very doable and very scalable. For example, you could help a restaurant rank for burgers near me as the keyword. Okay. So when somebody types in burgers near me, that restaurant should be popping up in top 3 in the Google Map pack, right? Right now, they may be below even top 10, but you could help them rank in top 3. You could be helping a realtor rank for a realtor near me, or sell my home, or buy a home in New York. You could be helping a plumber rank for plumber near me, plumber Chicago, or clogged toilet, or new heater installation. And these are very, very profitable keywords. Now, while local SEO is not as profitable per client as paid ads, where you can charge anywhere from 1,000 to 3 to 4 and beyond, depending on what you offer. With local SEO, you can charge $200 to $500, but you can quickly upsell them on paid ads once you do a good job. And the work per client is less to help them rank on Google Maps. Therefore, you will have more time to get more clients and to fulfill more for these clients. So you could offer a simple monthly package for $497 recurring and help them optimize their Google business profile, build local citations, and that's all done automatically, and get more positive reviews, which there's a software called HighLevel that really makes it super easy to execute. I'll put a link to that software below. Again, small business owners don't have the time nor the skills to do this. They know that Google Maps is important and being in the top 3 is important, but they just don't know how to get there. That's where you come in. You become their secret weapon, their go-to guy or girl in the chair. And it's your job to ensure that when local leads in that radius search for their businesses, that they show up at the top. And this is a recurring revenue service that can earn you several hundred per month per client and can really transform that small business's bottom line. All right, side hustle number 3. We are still in that vein of offering services to local businesses. And this one's an interesting one. You can offer templatized smart websites for businesses. Now, you all heard of funnels and funnel builders, right? So you could be a funnel builder for coaches or consultants, or you can make funnels and websites for small local businesses. Hint, coaches and consultants, they have more complicated funnels, especially if they're selling books and courses and webinars where they require many pages and lots of follow-ups, where small local businesses, all they need is a one-page website, some kind of booking automation on that website, a chat widget at the bottom, you know, that little chat bubble, that's a huge bonus for them, and a way to automate all of that follow-up with their leads. And all of this, again, can be done by you using a software called HighLevel, and it's highly templatized. And again, there will be a link down below where you could get the software and learn how to do this. A single website build could cost anywhere from $2,000 upfront and more. And then you can tack on a monthly recurring fee for managing the website, for hosting it, and for helping them run it. It's front-loaded work, meaning you'll work more that first month to set it up. But once that website is up and running, all you're doing is minor tweaks, and then it's easy to upsell them on Google Maps management because they also need that, right? As we talked about in part 2, local SEO. They will also potentially need paid ads to bring to that website. So that's where you come in and you can really blow this up with small business owners. Now, I'm not one to sugarcoat it. It is tough to get clients. That's why in the beginning, like I said, you may want to offer your services for free. Also, if you have somebody in the family that has a small local business, like a plumber uncle or a brother-in-law that's an electrician, or somebody that's a roof repairman, a roofer, right? I mean, there's tons of niches that this could be profitable in. So I'm going to quickly throw up some niches on screen that you could potentially target with your offerings. So in no particular order, we have realtors, fix and flippers, those are real estate investors, med spas and day spas, salons and barbershops, chiropractors and dentists, gyms and personal trainers, CrossFits and MMAs, car dealers, car washes, detailers, HVAC, heating and cooling, pest control, window wash, handymen, landscapers, cleaners, lawyers, accountants, roofing, solar, plumbers, electricians. All of these and more are small local businesses. And what do small local businesses need? They need leads and clients. They don't have time or the skills to be a marketer as well as a plumber or barber or dentist or pest control or repairman. All right, we're getting close. Side hustle number 4 is a freelancer. And in particular, a freelance graphic designer or video editor. This one's a classic and it's only growing in demand. Even though we have AI tools that can create ready images like Midjourney or video editing tools like NVIDIA and Kling AI and Hixfield that can absolutely create beautiful AI videos. Every business, every brand, every individual online needs compelling images and videos for their social media. And if you got an eye for design, this is a gold mine, especially nowadays where AI can do most of the heavy lifting. From creating stunning logos to social media templates and graphics, editing promotional videos, YouTube content, YouTube thumbnails, or even short form videos and ads. The opportunities are endless. Again, tools like Canva, the Photoshop killer, right? And AI tools like Midjourney have made this really accessible. But still, you'll be surprised that small business owners and a lot of people online, they don't have the time or the skills to figure out these AI tools to create these assets. So here's where you come in again. So start by building a strong portfolio and then offer your services for free to friends and family and people that you know in your circle that have a small business or that have an online presence. And then leverage platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to really get going and put your stuff out there. The demand for high quality visual material is not going anywhere. It's only going up. Now, before I reveal side hustle number 5, which is my top pick for 2026, here's a quick recap. So in number 1, we had paid ad management for Facebook ads or Google ads or TikTok ads, right? We had local SEO, which is helping them rank on Google Maps. We had smart website and funnel building, which you can do to help out small business owners and online coaches with websites and funnels. And in number 4, we had the classic freelance graphic design and video editing. Now, the issue with all of these is that they are not passive. Unless you find a way to either outsource this or hire a team and build a real business around this, this is still a job. You're just replacing the kind of job, the 9 to 5, or adding to your 9 to 5 with a few hours, but you're still exchanging your time for money. All it is through all of the ones that I mentioned, you are still exchanging time for money, and it's still another job unless you find a way to scale it, outsource it, or build a team around it. My favorite side hustle, number 5, is one that is truly passive. And by passive, I don't mean that you do nothing and just put your hands back and you wake up with money. But let's say you make a small asset today, like a short video, okay? Tomorrow you make another one. Next day you make another one. But the one that you made today will pay you out. All of a sudden, 2 weeks later, you wake up with $1,000 sale. So that is the true passive nature of this business model, which I'm about to drop on you. And side hustle number 5 is affiliate marketing. Now, this is not your grandpa's affiliate marketing where you had to write long-winded blogs and do Amazon reviews and stuff like that. No, this is different. This is affiliate marketing in 2026, and it's done through short-form video content. Instagram and Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. These are platforms where people's attention is going to be in 2026. This is where the eyeballs are. And this is where you have to carve a little space for yourself. Now, there is absolutely nothing, I repeat, nothing better than waking up with an affiliate sale for something that you didn't do right that minute, but you did maybe a week ago. And I've been doing this with courses, with software, and with all types of digital products for many years. To give you a very basic 10,000-foot view of this system, number 1, you pick a niche, and the 3 main niches are health, wealth, and relationships. So if you're into fitness and weight loss and nutrition, you're going to go with health, right? If you are some kind of dating coach or you have some kind of training as a therapist, then you would probably pick relationships. Everybody else is probably going to choose wealth and making money online. Now, unless you have a very specific niche, such as gardening or canoeing, kayaking, outdoor stuff, travel, those are other niches. But for most of you watching at home, you're probably going to be in the make money online niche. So you pick that as your niche, and then you start making content, short form content, 7 seconds to 90 seconds, short form videos on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram being the main one that I coach about and I tell all my students to do. And then you make videos helping your niche solve a specific problem, also entertaining them, also providing value, showing up every single day, nurturing them. So you pick a niche, you make content about them, and then you pick an affiliate product on an affiliate marketplace, such as OfferLab. This is one of the newest ones. JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Cope Cart, Digistore 24. These are the main affiliate marketplaces. You pick a product there that can help you make a few hundred to a few $1,000s. And then all you do through your content is you guide them and you promote that product, because that product will help them solve their actual problem. And this is exactly how I've been able to make multiple six figures online in the past few years. And AI software makes this whole process really, really simple and straightforward. I use a software to research the market and to see what my competitors are doing, what the top Instagram people are doing, so I can make my content based on that. So I do that research with AI. I have an AI writing a script for me that I can say in that video. If I want to, I can do faceless videos that I don't even have to show my face. So for example, I can generate my AI twin to speak for me, or I can do completely different AI videos with nothing to do with me. I can use a software to schedule my posting. That way I don't have to sit there and post at a specific time. I can schedule everything ahead. So this is really made simple and seamless through AI and software. Now, this was just a quick taste about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn my entire system and how to do this and do this correctly, then please go ahead and join my free Skool community and take my free affiliate marketing secrets course. I have a free course on affiliate marketing that you can go through. You can learn this entire system. You can dive deeper than just the 10,000-foot overview, which I did in this video. And this is all for free. And I want to help and coach as many people as possible and help them get started on this journey. So that's a wrap for my top 5 side hustles that are going to blow up in 2026. Now, I'll make another separate video about AI side hustles, which I haven't covered in this video. But affiliate marketing with AI is still going to be my favorite go-to side hustle in 2026. So, like I said, if you want to learn more and get started with affiliate marketing, go ahead, take my free course and join Wi-Fi Heroes, my free community on a platform called Skool. You just have to sign up and create an account, and you can learn for free. It's a community where like-minded individuals can interact. It's gamified. You can win prizes. So go ahead, link below, join my community. These were my 5 top tips. Go ahead, get started. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.